Stuck up on that stage singing. Oh, I know. A sad song.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It's Riptide here. And here we have another Pokemon tin. This time it is Galarian Articuno. I really like the Galarian birds. I actually like all of their designs better than the original ones. But I've got to say my favorite has to be Articuno. So glad that I have this. We get this really cool looking full art card. So yeah, let's see if we get anything good. Okay. So look at this. Interesting thing here. Just carefully take out the card. There we go. Okay. Here we have our very nice looking full art. Look at that. Really like it. Let's put this right here. This comes with 4 packs. See if we get anything. Now let's shuffle them up because that seems to work. Okay, here we have an energy. We have Graveler. We have Trainer, Luxio, Ponyard, Bidoof, Trainer, Galarian Mr. Mime, Sunkern, a reverse hollow Tangela, looking pretty nice, and then regular rare Exeggutor. I really like Exeggutor and I like the artwork, so pretty cool. I like the artwork on these. Energy, Graveler again, Trainer, Salazzle, Purloin, Grubbin, Skrelp, Helioptile, Wooloo. Whoa! Dude, oh my gosh! This looks so cool. It's Keldeo. It's a Keldeo full art with it's Keldeo with the Northern Lights. That looks so cool. And behind that, we get Zamazenta V. Look at that, that's so cool. That pack is insane. We get the coolest looking full art I've ever seen. And then a Zamazenta V. That is really cool. Let's go. Okay, I have a feeling we're probably not gonna get anything as good in the last 2 packs. But I mean, if we do, that would be really nice. Energy, Shaman, Trainer, Carnivine, Scyther, Riolu, Yangoose, Cherubi, Starly, Reverse Hollow Whalmer, and, ooh, look at this card. Hoopa. Hollow Hoopa. That's fun to say. Very cool. I will take that. I will take that. Put that right there. The other good pulls. Okay, on to the last pack. energy. Trainer, Lunatone, Solrock, Aeron, Riolu, Starly, Scyther, Trainer. Ooh, this time a reverse hollowed Tangrowth. And then beyond that, oh my gosh, a Duraludon V. Wow, oh my gosh, this is cool. I did not think we were going to get anything else, but look at this, we did, and this is cool. This is really cool. So, guys, just like in the last Pokemon unboxing with the tin, I don't know what to say. Tins are OP, apparently. Like, if you look at this, Duraludon V, sick looking full art Keldeo, Hollow Koopa, Zamazenta V, and Galarian Articuno. I mean, it came with it, but you know what I mean. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you all later. Bye!
3, 2, 1.